Hey, it's another About Time production. I think you've been watching the videos of the Athearn gas turbines I've converted, and I've done 21 of them. I've run out of them, but so I decided to try something different. So I'm going to see if you can kind of guess what this might be. I've turned on the marker lights, as you can see, and I'm in forward so I can turn on the headlights, and it looks kind of familiar, I'm sure. And I'm going to start up the diesel. We're going to listen to the horn. The bell. The bell can be funny. I'm going to put it in reverse. One, two, three, four, three, two, one. Stop. Start up the gas turbine. I'm going to turn off that noisy guy. Put it back in reverse. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is a Lionel. And I decided to put in an Esu Loksound decoder, so now it has this sound too. These are so heavy. These are cast metal. They are about the heaviest that I know of. And I don't know, they just look stronger. The sharp lines of the metal casting around the cap especially are just really impressive. So I know a lot of people have these, and I know you can't get parts for them. So if you have one and you'd like it converted, let me know. But I'm going to convert a couple more. This is mine. This one I have had to work on. And I really like it. So I'm going to keep it for myself. I've got a couple new ones in the box, and I'm going to go ahead and convert them over to the Esu Loksound decoder and then put them on eBay. And it may be about a week or so. This is the, I don't know, 14th of May 2018. We're kind of busy. Our grandson broke his arm yesterday, so we're kind of kicking back a little bit with him. Went off the slide at school. At my age and still raising kids, I'll tell you, it's a joy, but you kind of forget some of the heartaches sometimes. But he's a tough little guy, so he's taking it pretty well. Anyway, like I say, it's the Lionel, and it now sounds kind of like the SQUEAL train. And it certainly sounds like all of the Atherns that I've converted over to these Esu Loksound decoders with the brake squeal. And like I've said before, I like it. It is so realistic. And these things are so heavy. They're such hard pullers. 2 motors, and I'm going to make a video of the conversion, and I'll show you the wiring changes I've made and how you can do it yourself if you'd like. It'll be a how-to. Because these are worth having, and if you have one, you may just want to upgrade the decoder to get it into the modern sounds. It's not that their decoders weren't good, and if you have one that the decoders burn up on and you don't want to change it over but you like a decoder, I'm going to probably do 2 more, and then I'll have 3 decoders I'll put on eBay for probably practically nothing in case you need one. So look forward to it, and thanks for watching.